Just like demand for mechanical keyboards among gamers, where switch type, build quality, and value matter, the same attention to detail applies to snowboard boots for men. Whether you're carving powder, hitting jumps, or cruising groomers, the right boots deliver comfort, control, and confidence. In this guide, we evaluate list number 32 men's shifty snowboard boots. The Thirtytwo Shifty is perfect for beginners or casual riders who want an affordable, comfortable, and forgiving boot. Featuring a soft flex, it's easy to maneuver and forgiving when learning new tricks or just cruising. The Comfort Fit Liner and Grip and Rip Heel Hold ensure your foot stays secure while maintaining all-day comfort. Its traditional lace system gives riders simple adjustability. List number DC Shoes Phase BOA Pro. If you're looking for a premium boot that balances performance and comfort, the DC Phase BOA Pro stands out. Equipped with a dual BOA lacing system, you get precise, quick adjustments to dial in your fit on the fly. The Impact S insole offers great shock absorption for landing jumps, while its medium flex strikes a balance between response and playfulness. Durable construction and a sleek design make this a solid choice. List number DC Shoes Judge BOA Snowboard Boot. The DC Judge BOA is a high-performance boot built for aggressive riders who demand precision and responsiveness. Featuring a dual BOA closure system, you can independently adjust the upper and lower zones for a truly customized fit. The stiff flex gives excellent board control and support at high speeds or on steep lines. Inside, the black liner and Aerotech ventilation keep your feet comfortable and dry. List number DC Shoes Men's Control BOA Snowboard Boots. The DC Control BOA offers a balanced mix of stability and adjustability for riders who want a supportive yet versatile boot. The medium stiff flex suits intermediate and advanced riders who ride everything from powder to park. The dual BOA system allows quick, micro adjustments for the perfect fit. Its lightweight construction and multi-density sole offer good traction and impact dampening. List number 5. K2 Raider Men's Snowboard Boots. The K2 Raider is a dependable all-mountain boot with an approachable price tag, featuring a single BOA coiler lacing system. It's easy to tighten and adjust, even with gloves on. The Intuition Comfort Foam Liner molds to your foot for a snug, personalized fit, while the soft to medium flex offers plenty of forgiveness for beginners, but enough response for intermediate riders.